Today is Sunday, July 20th. You know what that means? That means it's one way Corey's ride out in Baltimore, so we're gonna go. Oh, did I organize the garage? Why, yes, thank you for asking. Let me show you real fast. Helmet wall. Scissors, because I use them a lot. Leftover vinyl wrap that I just stuck on the wall. A sign from Dublin. Thanks, Mom. The OG ConnorG Media wheelie bike. An old license plate. An old keyboard. Same shelf I used to have in my old apartment, just a little better organized. Ground parts, RTR parts, tools, and miscellaneous items. And 2 random helmets. Another license plate. Paper towel holder. Old brakes holder. Ramp to load the Grom into the van. Grom stand and the RTR dirt wheels. A football. MX boots for when I'm gnarly. An oil catch pan that I still haven't emptied. The hanging clothes section. My biggest fan. A nice lamp with a power cord. And how could I forget the power that I steal from the garage? And of course the bikes. As you can see, there is not equal treatment around here. We have a nice little blankie for the RTR. Guys, so I did invest in this carrier for the van. You might have seen this on a video a while back, but we're not gonna deal with that today. We're just gonna load it up right into the van. Extra gogs. We got our road trip essentials. Should be about an hour 34, 94 miles. 45 amp hour option. A chopper? Some escaped convict or something. Wait till they find out what I'm about to do. Alright guys, we pulled up to the spot. We're gonna unload the bike. Hopefully I can park here. Shout out the homies, say they watch me. Question.
You gotta give me $1,000.
Corey said he'll give it to you. You gotta ask him when he comes in. So guys, we made it. Baltimore. What's good? Good. Good. What up, bro? Garrett. Are you riding the 450? What up? What's good, bro? All right, guys. I think we're finally leaving. Live streaming? What is this? What up? What are we on, the 3.0? What is it, 7240?
No, 72 under that.
All right, guys, YouTube, this is a closed course if you can't tell. Look at this, no cars. Decent sized pack for a Baltimore ride. First time in this city, guys. Cops here should be pretty chill, especially compared to Philly now. Cutting up Baltimore, I guess technically the dirt bike capital, for being real. Wow, woo, yay. This little kid is a menace. Wouldn't be Baltimore without the 2-stroke. George Washington. It's a memorial, I guess. Hand drag. Oh. Side saddle. Oh, he's back up to a seat stand. We got Owen cutting up. Woo. RTR takes on Baltimore. This is one of those rides, interestingly, where it doesn't feel like there's a ton of worms here now that I think of it. I don't know if it's just like a Baltimore thing or what, but regardless, people understand the motorcycle, what's the word? I forget what the word is, but it's the way you're supposed to act. Etiquette. People understand the bike life etiquette. Hey, Rob rides in the MX boots. He got ran into in New York City last weekend. That's why he's wearing the MX boots, not just as a fashion statement. Then we have Cole here, the ADV rider, with his ADV helmet, intercom, and freaking sunglasses. Atta boy! There we go. I dig the plastic. Hey! It's not even yours. There you go.
not ride much anymore?
Why you say that?
Guys, huge shout out to A-Rob Rides, the cameraman. Go follow him if you don't, at @ARob_rides. I was thinking about that one viral video where I steal your key.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yo, your shoe's untied. It is, dude. I'm just trying to protect you. It's gonna get caught in your chain and make you cry. Ah, got him, got him. His license plate says suck my nuts. I like your license plate. Oh shit, here's where the Orioles play, dude. Camden Yards, I think it's called. Now,
Crackhead came at him, he was like this. The dude who stabbed him almost punched the shit out of Jeff.
did this guy just get stabbed?
Yes!
We had all of those cops and firefighters and shit come out. Damn. Back on the road after a little pit stop. There you go. I am still at 75%, which is crazy. Oh, we got some 21 in the queue now. Cruising through Baltimore, baby. Guys, this is a great group, great ride, not too many worms. Dude, I hate riding near quads, I won't lie. They're so big, bro, that shit would fuck you up. Oh! Scrapity. See, I don't trust it, man. I guess this is just the stunt trip. Drag. Oh, this is too good of vibes here, guys. There you go.
Nothing like wheel deal on a Sunday.
Yo, I can't lie. I fuck with Baltimore. What a freaking strip, dude. I can't imagine living in these houses here. These guys here are nuts. Every single one of the dudes on the gas bike is just killing it. Then we have our little e-bikes out here. All right, we're gonna head back to the meet spot. We're still at 64%, which is sick. Touring battery, baby. Dude, those are the biggest tires I've ever seen on an Ultra B. Look how big that front tire is.
And the back wheel from the 150.
On this Ultra B? Dude, it's huge. If you're depressed or bored or anything, if you're anything, get a freaking e-bike, dude. Get through this shit with all your buddies. Whoo, a lot of fun. Such a vibe. A-Rob ride. Yeah, bud. I love electric bicycles. All right, we're out of here. All right, let's load this puppy up. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap. Come here. Big shouts out to Jack Blatch, the no-hander king.
The one and only Jack Blatch, y'all. ConnorG came to the city. Y'all know what's up. It was fun as shit, and he's coming back.
Baltimore's pretty lit. Philly's cooked now to ride, so we'll be back for sure.
Those moto cops have taken over.
They have. So Baltimore's the spot now. We're
It's
closer
the
to
spot.
Baltimore than Philly now anyway. So,
Yeah.
all right, dude.
Dude, nice seeing you.
Alrighty, guys. Well, we made it back safe and sound. Ton of fun. Shout out to One Way Corey for hosting that ride, as well as Jack Blatch for leading it. Super fun to ride with all the Philly homies. I will definitely be getting back down to Baltimore soon. It's really not that far. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our road to 100K. If you want this bike, it's the ETM RTR from Electro & Co. Use code ConnorG at checkout to save on this bike and or any parts you might use. But otherwise, please sub. We want 100K. We'll catch you next time, though. Peace.